아니 드링 진도 고베 세봉알라 아니 갸가이 게용 나로라야 아니 기겐 니모스 체제 케침보시니라 갸가이 게용 나로라 네 기겐레다 할로레 카딘 제iten기 기겐 니모티 송제 슈인디 오레 아니 디시 송당 만주이네레다 수수 계획싱이야 카디 춘지도 안주이다 선배 춘지 잠기다 제고답디 구디 체샤베라 아니 디인도 잠바 땅아주 다른 급죽지 종교기 섭중기 진데 뭐네니 다른 먼저 디 기겐이모디 송제도 수위 아니 통마델이야 다른 공주 제림리아 치규 남베 아니 벽이 벤즈강기 겐지 기실락돌라 초 아니 다가나시 디유 롭친 게라 넘버레 아니 다가나시 벤즈기 아니 레지 참물로리아 아니 다른 기겐기 몰이야 참지 테스트레 슈위 아니 통마 제림 운주 마숑올라 아니 기실락돌라 초리야 아니 취미 현지 신나로 나슈 먼저 진짜 뭐네 아니 셰샵도 진짜 카카시 니마 카셰시나리아 아니 강톱톱기 배전신이 진짜 고지 주샤요레
Oh Show, kunga mibumne any yagagi any lushish film shigi
गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया संभालो मुझको मेरे यारो संभलना मुश्किल हो गया गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया संभालो मुझको मेरे यारो संभलना मुश्किल हो गया दिल में मेरे ख्वाब तेरे तस्वीर जैसे हो दीवार पे तुझ पे फिदा मैं यूं हुआ आता है गुस्सा मुझे प्यार पे मैं लुट गया मन के दिल का कहा मैं कहीं का ना रहा सुन जरा ओ दिलरुबा बुरा है जादू तेरी आंखों का ये मेरा कातिल हो गया मैंने सदा चाहा यही दामन बचा लूं हसीनों से मैं तेरी कसम ख्वाबों में भी बचता फिराना ज़मीनों से मैं तौबा मगर मिल गई तुझसे नजर मिल गया दर्द जिगर सुन जरा ओ बेखबर जरा सा हटके जो देखा तूने मैं तेरा बिस्मिल हो गया गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया
Thank you.
Zedig, Zardig, Hanyangdig, Sabachak be Sanchilda, Yilda only Lord Gigi Shunwadam, Hanyangda be Guardan Janzima. A Japper Gawi, Hishayon, Janji Mushi Shunyoba, Riang. Harangri Marindayang. Shachak Tuji to be Poli to passing Yinila. A Ritter Nam Shidam, Larjaya Lasho. Same Shungan de Shi, a Nyapper Kawi, Talwa Jeltang, Jurwa J. Wimbu Lidang. Nam Shinija, Trajujer Jimmy Gar, Zonzen Yel. Tapshi Zonlatani, Sedinja Yender, Chimja Chakpa, Mayena. Ngoma, Hamashi Shang, Dunkoi, Tanyan Matsangola, Arangri Mepudi, Ji Shang Chim Simwadang, Jomo Tunin Mitewa, Jel Samuniji, Ngum Tarshang, Jancha Luilin the Ngajin Yobadang, Kotu Virginam, Wambi Naktultang, Yangwi Bangtang. Sartung Longtung the Gis Shanglo Kujumbi Captain, Nibut the Yul Simon, Owenjang. Dinner, Lord Gigi Hu Yimbadang, Moon Shunga Tran Takjangri Gigi, Jopolo, Shasawa Tamchi, Jansen German Wadang, a Dumaro Tamchi, Stir Galayan. Hamun Chitayam, Shazana Dumar which Mahunshi, and Yan Turchi Waden who go to Junyola, Huarta Jinzajin, Jagger Pakpiyala, Maha Zanika, Jayam, Wahudang. Kachi, Dijung Tang, Dijisonayang, Tinja Dayang Tang, Bang Dayang, Jazzy Layang, Ayang Jin Layang Jisna Drapa, Choji, Etor. Yenayang, Samlu Sarwashikam, Tawa Sarwashi, Dotel Sarwashi, Lang Shuk Sarwashi, Chensorang Licha, Gang Jung Sertan Jana. Syria Ratang, Ripijap, 跨越半目，사인 자순지 가와 조지 에이시 하리야 한영 신체 과양들我想着真正隆隆的有啊等，我看着老人细细的把的那样，我蹲着让这深深的就一高啊那差真的，也那样。머리 저 허리에 랑바 칸이 청이 일라 강종저 라지 중의영 할로니 등이 일라 예스저와 당 니도 비지지정 할랑람 번이리 할로 마팜 사치 지소나 젠금 척하나 이시저 전 요바 단데 직정 자지 가슴 당 다슴 요지 초지알로 잘라파 셈마드 강진 지소나 사투저 똠미나 정든 세와 메라 점제 세와양 적전리 원장 니 먹을름 따나와는 아데시자 따스 임바당 니 나름도 따따양 따동과는 마음이 좋아인 너는 니 셈나 작다 총등 세진비 한양 송보시인라 너는 파절 처럼 주셈나양 작다 총등 세진비 한양 송보시 인정서 되시
졸라 뒤중기 라시스등기 정말 좋은 면함 시민 소모인데 정말 긴세 도지라
पानी पर्यो सररा छाना बज्यो गररा मनमा उठ्यो आज मेरो आनन्दको लहरा हिजोको विपना आज भएछ सपना एकान्छी कति छाडै बितेको यो जीवना पानी पर्यो सररा बिजो धर्मशाला सहारा कालो कालो बादल चरी फर्किआयो असर लाई जिन्दगी कहिले घाम कहिले पानीले परिले माया नै सबैभन्दा ठुलो कुरो रहेछन् लै चारैतिर नीला नीला आकाश छन् छायो है वरिपरि लागेको यो कुरो हरायो है मानिलाई साँचो राखे हिँड्दै रहेछु म तिम्रो सहारामा बाँचिरहेछु मायालु पानी पर्यो सरर छोरा बग्यो गरर फर्किआयो तिम्रातिर चारै सारा संसार हिजोको विपना आज भएछ सपना एकान्छी कति चढाइ बितेको यो जीवन पानी पर्यो सरर बिजोरा बङ्ला सहारा कालो कालो बादल छरी फर्किआयो असर लाई थाहा मुन्द लैबरी ओ नानी लैबरी ओ नानी लैबरी
She put up a show. Unless I'm impressed, baby, I gotta go. I won't lie and tell you that I'll take it slow. But tonight, no bites, cause the wife will know.
Sorry, patole lakha. Sorry, patole lakha. Hey, tak diya rendi akha. Hey, tak diya rendi akha. Main ki dasa apni ve. Hey, chan karda hai tarifa. Ha mere husn de kone di. Kone di. Oh baby, doll me sone 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 di. ये दुनिया पित्तल दी. ये दुनिया पित्तल दी. ये दुनिया पित्तल दी. Oh baby, doll me sone di. 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 मेरी नींदें है फरार तेरे संग मेरे यार तूने की जो मेरे साथ शरारत है मेरी नींदें है फरार तेरे संग मेरे यार तूने की जो मेरे साथ शरारत है काजल की सी
what you wanna do, baby. Where you wanna go? I'll take you to the moon, baby. I'll take you to the floor. I'll treat you like a real lady, no matter where you go. Just give me some time, baby. Cause you know, even when we're apart, I know my heart is still there with you. 5 more hours till the night is ours, and I'm in bed with you. This right here is my type of party. 5 more hours, we're just getting started. This right here is my type of party. 5 more hours, we're just getting started.
5 more hours, we're just getting started.
Oh, pirate, yes, they robbed, sold I to the merchant ships. Minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit, but my hand was made strong by the hand of the Almighty. We forward in this generation triumphantly. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever have, redemption song, redemption song. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but a can free our mind. Have no fear from the Chinese government, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our brothers and sisters while we stand aside in love? Some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever have, redemption song, redemption song, redemption song. Peace.
The clear blue sky, the warmth of the sun, the fragrant flowers, the majestic mountains, Emma. But even more beautiful than these, a cascading waterfall before a steep cliff. Look, brilliant rays, pure white, spread like a peacock's feathers, parrot's plumage, patterns on silk brocade. Listen, the sound of the gushing water, clear and pleasing, the music of the angels, unblemished melody, music of the gods, pure in origin. Key, this is not an ordinary waterfall. It possesses a majestic quality, a fearless heart, incomparable in its pride, a strong body, adorned in finest jewels, most melodious music, this. The torrential waterfall, the glorious young people of the land of snows. This, in the year 1980, the heartfelt power and creativity of the youth of Perth. The dignifying struggle, the music of youthfulness. Key, youthful waterfall, waterfall of youth. Where did you obtain the fearless heart? Immeasurable confidence, unbending pride, limitless strength. Yes, the rainfall during the 3 months of spring, the new growth during the 3 months of summer, the nourishment of hail and storm during the 3 months of autumn, the ice and snow of 3 months of winter, and more. Water from the snowy mountains, meadows, valleys, ravines. In short, water of auspiciousness, water of prosperity, water of fulfillment, water of perfection, possessing the 8 purities of water, the hundreds and thousands of different qualities of water. You are the water of friendship, daring to leap from the ferocious cliff. You are the water of the universe, courageously leaping into the valley below, proud to take on what is new. You have an open mind, strong body, and majestic appearance, without arrogance or defilement. Your origins are deep, having cast aside all impurities. You have an unblemished mind, a splendour in your youthfulness. Waterfall, you are witness to history, the way of the future. The breathing and lifting of the snow land are written on every droplet. The rise and development of the land of snows shine in each of your rays. Without you, where can we whet the sword of knowledge? Where can we sharpen the sword of our skills? Without you, the tree of medicine cannot bloom. Philosophy and Buddhism will not bear fruit. Possibly, lingering in your crystal mind, may be wounds of history, scars of old battles fought, lesions of ignorance, the clotting of conservatism. These are not possible. The reason is, you possess pride, majesty, and strength of youth. Will never let the winter ice stop you or numb your mind. 100 slashes from a wrathful sword cannot halt your flow. The reason is, the waterfall source lies in the deep snows. Its end is joined with the vast ocean. Your history is long. It generates pride and dignity. How melodious your chorus of time, our inspiration and potency. Have you heard, waterfall? The questions of the youth of the land of snows. How can you let a poet's horse suffer from thirst? How can you let composition's elephant suffer from heat? How can you let metaphor's snow lion be covered in dirt? How can you not nurture the orphan of dance and music? Who will preserve the heritage of astrology? Who will welcome the groom of science? Who will wed the bride of technology? Alas, waterfall, your clear, bright and harmonious answers will reach our ears. They are incised in our minds as a carving on a rock. In truth, the 1,000 brilliant accomplishments of the past cannot serve today's purpose. Yesterday's salty water cannot quench today's thirsts. The withered body of history is lifeless without the soul of today. The pulse of progress will not beat. The blood of progress will not flow, and a forward step cannot be taken. He, waterfall, your gentle ripples, droplets from your splashing water, you symbolize the strength of the new generation of the land of snows. Your torrent and thunderous sounds, ours. You show the hopes of the new generation. Our generation must not tread these paths. Conservatism, isolationism, ignorance, slothfulness, backwardness, barbarism, darkness and reactionism. These have no foundation in our land. Waterfall, waterfall, our minds will follow your course. Our blood will run like yours in the currents of times to come. However difficult the way, youth of Tibet relinquish fear. Our people, a new path is opening in front of you. Look, the new generation of the land of snows. We are marching together. Listen. This harmonious song is the anthem of the youth of the land of snows, the bride road, pride and responsibility, joyous life, song of struggle. The youthful waterfall will not diminish. The water will never become impure. This is the waterfall springs from the voices of the youth of Tibet. This is the waterfall flows from the mind of the youth of the land of snows.
This poem is actually we both Summa Yangjala and me both are dedicating our His Holiness Dalai Lama and the Free Tibet and our teachers.
자리 가잖아 하다도.
나중에 당에 간대면 떠서.
요요 났어.
学堂部的主播是呢。
张出月上一张出月，俺做白的走吧，这有痛有心啦，就让马达呀下去呀切，俺做白的路月，俺做走白路月你拉哩。 सारे महिनामा पानी परेर जाइने एक्लो यो मेरोमा कसरी बुझाउने भन्दैन है मैचाङले रुँदै धरारा नौदारा परिछ कम्पन सहारा बिछोको बेलैमा बिछोको बेलैमा छमछमे जगने धरेको ना अबादा छोरा बुझ्नै बोला फेरिमा बसेर के कुरा गर्दै हो कहिले हाँस्दै हो कहिले हिँड्दै हो खै बाबा भनेर खै बाबा भनेर 랑조 페리레게 조보니 게카라체 냉유데 랑조 페리 미제 그바니 예뻐창 미제 그바 랑젤레 규디라레 에니 조규네 마세 도케 파탄 투니시세 랑젤 랑젤
Thank you.
Thank you.
아니 동마대랑은조 좀규 sabjung ting chukji gi gewishinge chembo gishin laudor gi zöbe ani pade gige number changmala 닝유네 삼지 투지 체스 슈이 아니 가서 테린 자가 자용라 데 고베생아딜라 kalore gige ni mo sungji chiye gi lamse do jure an di shi sung an ngjo de tring sungji do chiye ani ngjo di sungji chiye de lamse jam mayimba ni kalore ngan gige sewa de ni du gyunde jiso na la ni jizam ge ni kegang chimbo imba ta kadin chimbo imba chön chedo de gozu chi ani niwo de la ngjo dura ni singe ne ngjo ngjo jindo namne ani de 시 장야도 데스 장 초배네 소한데 비주 당 초배 조전 나올라 계실하도라다 소한 도담반이라 투지 체스슈이 아니 숨바델라니 간조 벽이 벤제 강기 레제 중지 쇠배니 레제 참말라 드링데 페이지네 간조 제고디 차초부스요데라 상만 투지 체스슈이 아니 타마델라 아니 먼저 예 진데 토모토모 용라 데 두다니스니 네다 소소 두즈드 진데라 신나탑도 장야다 딘제 상매 냠루기 타탐 겐잠데와라 초강디 겐도치야다 딘데 토라 상매 냠루기 빼고 내가 최소 아니 데예 진도 상말라니 닝타보니 투지 체슈이 아니 드링기 제고데 드링데 가신 쪼신강 드링데 주 등분이